You wouldn't buy a black and white TV. Why would you buy an outdated air conditioner? With its financing packages that saves you money right from the first bill after installation. The world's best air conditioning. Sick of paying excessive power bills and want to leave your kids a better world? Massively reduced running costs. Ozone safe with eco-friendly refrigerant. Greater unit lifespan due to less pressure within the unit. 5 years manufacturer's warranty. Significantly quieter operation than other leading brands with synthetic refrigerant. Up to 43% energy savings compared to split-system air conditioners in its class. Old refrigerants are being phased out. Backed by worldwide patented technology. Florance Electrical's energy-saving air conditioning units will put money back in your pocket